everyone, Amanda here. Thank you so much for joining me. Today I'm sharing my August Journaling Joy collection. Joy stands for Journal Our Year, and I create a collection every single month, a full journal collection for my Ko-fi members. I will link this collection in the description box below, and let's get cracking. This is called Soft Autumn. There's 34 pages. It's stunning. So here's the first page. As you can see, we've got things to do with autumn. We've got pumpkins and autumn florals, and it's just really pretty. I've kind of done it sort of shabby vintage, which is the style that I like, and we've got soft lovely tones there. Okay, so that's the first one with this little girl with the flowers, and we've got some shop fronts and some pumpkins. It's just gorgeous. Just gorgeous. And here's the next one. Absolutely beautiful. I'll go through as quickly as I can. And then I've done a lot of split journal pages because this is going to be one epic journal. And I will do tutorials on it, okay, when I've caught up on my workload. I think, what have I still got to do? I've still got to do the little ones. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. And there's another one. And there's another one. It's just gorgeous. Every single page is beautiful and soft and pretty. So as we can see, soft autumn. We've got apples, we've got pumpkins, we've got soft florals. It's my version of autumn because really I don't really like autumn. I like summer. Then we've got some more. And so this is going to be quite a big journal. So I've done a lot of pages with blank space for writing. Okay, with this lovely floral cluster here. And there's another one. And there's a double one. Just beautiful. And then we've got some pretty pumpkins. You've got to have the pumpkins. So autumn or fall. Okay, and then we've got some sunflowers, because we normally get the sunflowers round about pumpkin season. I think our farmers grow the sunflowers, and then just as the sunflowers are fading off, they start with the pumpkin patches. So yeah, that's how it works in the UK anyway. So here's your blank pages. So it's actually a soft pink background, very, very subtle soft pink. So you can print this on the back of all of these, or you can print them, you know, double-sided and have as many as you want and have these as your journal pages. This one's got lines on. That one's plain. There's a plain one with lines. So you've got a good variety. It's not all just decorated. That's with just the background. Here's one with some beautiful sunflowers. Absolutely stunning. It's so soft and pretty. Little tiny touches of gold in there. And there's some more sunflowers. And then we've got some more pumpkins. Absolutely gorgeous. Lovely autumn feel, but it's a soft, shabby autumn feel. Okay, and then we've got this one with the beautiful pumpkins and the florals. And here these are pears and apples. It's just, I can't wait to use it. Another double spread with the flowers. So obviously when you fold your pages, you're going to get one on each side. Okay, so those are the journal pages. Backgrounds, I've given you quite a few background pages. They're always coming useful. And if we end up making either a folio elements within the journal, this is good for that. They're great for tag layers, pocket layers, you name it. So we've got the soft beige there. There we've got a soft peachy pink colour. Then here we've got like a deep, what colour? Like a mulberry colour. And then we've got the sage green colour, which I love this colour. Okay, and then we've got an autumn orange, but it's a soft one. So those are your colours. So that's your colour theme, okay? And all of these colours are taken from items within the images. I use a colour picker and I pick the colours. So that's my colour theme. So you've got soft ones, and then you've got some of these darker ones which will bring out the light shabby images. They'll help them stand out. They'll coordinate beautifully, okay? So that's those. And then we've got a couple of patterns that I created. So this has got the sunflowers with a pale soft green background, and then this one is on the soft peach or pink with sunflowers, and this is a little watering can with pumpkins and florals. So you've got some patterns there. Then I've given you the plain distressed background. So this has been the base for most of the pages. So I create like a base layer and then build my images on it. So I thought I'd give you that as well. It's a lovely, lovely distressed kind of a collage. Brilliant for ripping up. Use it. You can even just use it as a page. Then we're into the fussy cuts. We love our fussy cuts. We do. So I've done these mirror image. I tend to do that. Save you having to do it in your PC for those that don't know how. And that means that when you cut those out, if you wanted to glue them back to make the paper clips, which I often make, the images they'll marry up. Okay, so these and these are mirror image. Then you've got a heap of butterflies. We're going for the neutral tone butterflies to go with this lovely soft autumnal colour palette that I've chosen. So those are beautiful. Then we've got some more fussy cuts. We've got to have pumpkins. So we've got some shabby pumpkins. Again, mirror image. So you can do them back to back. If you want them smaller, print them two to a page. And then just a couple of autumnal little kind of clusters here. And these tabs are really just to fill up that space. Okay. And then, because I started adding the girls to the pages, and then I thought, not everybody might like it. So we've only got 2 of the pages with the girls on, so I created these. Okay. So these are Polaroids with some little girls on, kind of vintage looking. And I've used the background papers to make Polaroid frames. I've put words on them for you. Okay. And they're just gorgeous. And then I've given you some extra little word labels there to do with autumn. Okay. Just gorgeous. Absolutely lovely. And I've printed these on lightweight cardstock. Okay. Then we've got some pockets. So I've designed this pocket here with the 2 cards that go inside. Okay, so you can see quite clearly where they fold. All right. And they're a nice size. And then when I were making that, I got a bit carried away. So I made you some more in the different colours with the little clusters on. I think they're lovely. Okay, really, really pretty. All right, so those are your pockets. Then we've got some tags. Beautiful large tags here. Okay, and I've put a inked border on them. Beautiful. And I've done these words slightly larger, and they will layer on your tags. Okay, so there's just one for each tag. Beautiful. Absolutely stunning. And then we've got some more tags. So these are the smaller ones, and I like these. I like them in this size. So again, print them on lightweight cardstock. Save you having to back them. And you don't really need to do much else unless you want to. Absolutely beautiful. So there's 6 there. 3 there, that's 9. Okay, and you can use your little words earlier on in the collection. You've got 4 pockets. So you could use these little words to go on. Will they fit on those little tags? Let's have a look. Will they fit? Yeah, so these little words here you can use in your journal, or they will fit on these little tags as well. Also, you've got all of the words in the word soup collection, if you remember, don't forget. Loads and loads of coordinating elements. So 34 pages of absolute beautifulness, soft autumn. So hopefully you're going to like that. Loads and loads and loads of versatility there. Lots of background papers if you want to make a journal, a folio, a mini album, cards. Don't forget you can print these down 2 to a page to make them smaller. And it's just absolutely beautiful. We're going to make the most stunning journal. I think because we've got so many pages, we can make quite a large journal with this as well. So 2 or 3 signatures. I think I might do some interactive. I might do a hybrid journal with this one. I don't know, I've not decided yet. Either a hybrid, or I was thinking of like a Z fold flip-flop journal where you've got it going that way and then you turn it and it carries on going. But we're going to make a big journal with this. We're going to have lots of fun. Okay, so that is my August journaling joy, linked in the description box below. I hope you like it. And yeah, join today and get access to this and all of the other collections that are available to members. Check out the link below, see what it's all about, and we'll get cracking with this as soon as soon as I've finished the last one. But I'm on with it. Okay. So watch out for all of the tutorials that are going to come. I'll come up with some great ideas and hopefully come up with some new ideas of ephemera and things to put inside it. So that's enough for today. Thank you so much for your time. Take care and I'll see you very soon. Big love to you all. Bye for now.